Have you ever wondered about the future of content creation and the role AI will play in it? As we journey further into the age of digital innovation, we see that artificial intelligence is not just a part of the future, it's the heart of it. From creative writing to video production, AI is becoming an integral component of content creation. It's not just about automating processes, but also about enhancing creativity and providing new, powerful tools for creators. Imagine a world where you can turn text into video or images into video, all with the magic of AI. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. AI is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content, making it more accessible, efficient, and dynamic. One such tool that is leading this revolution is the Genmo AI Video Generator, which is the focus of our discussion today. The Genmo AI Video Generator is a powerful tool for content creators. Imagine a world where you can transform simple text and static images into dynamic, engaging videos. That's what Genmo AI Video Generator can do. This innovative tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize content creation. It's not just a video editor, it's a storyteller, a visual artist, and a director all rolled into one. One of the main features of Genmo AI Video Generator is its ability to convert text into video. Simply input your script or narrative, and the AI works its magic, creating a video complete with visuals that complement your storyline. And it doesn't stop at text. Genmo AI can also transform images into video sequences, allowing you to create stunning visual narratives without needing any video footage. But what truly sets Genmo AI Video Generator apart is its intelligent design. It doesn't just convert, it understands. It interprets your input, making smart decisions about how to best represent your content in video form. It's like having a personal video producer who understands your vision and brings it to life. With Genmo AI Video Generator, the power of AI is at your fingertips. Getting started with Genmo AI Video Generator is incredibly straightforward. So let's dive into the process, shall we? First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to the Genmo AI website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, fill in your details, and voila! You're now a part of the Genmo AI community. Now, let's move on to the fun part, creating your video. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Here, you'll see an option that says, Choose a template. Click on it, and behold a wide array of templates, each designed with a unique purpose in mind. Take your time, browse through them, and select the one which resonates with your project the most. Alright, with the template chosen, it's time to upload your content. You'll notice two options here, text and images. If you have a script ready and want to convert it into a video, go for the upload text option. On the other hand, if you have images that you want to transform into a captivating slideshow, choose the upload images option. Remember, there's no rush. Take all the time you need to ensure your content is just the way you want it. Once your content is uploaded and ready, all that's left is to hit the Generate button. And there you have it. Your video is being processed. In a short while, you'll have a professional-grade video, ready to be shared with the world. And just like that, you're ready to start creating with Genmo AI Video Generator. While Genmo AI Video Generator is easy for beginners, it also has powerful features for more advanced users. Let's delve into these features to help you unleash the full potential of this remarkable tool. Firstly, Genmo AI Video Generator offers the ability to customize video settings. This might sound technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. You can adjust elements like the frame rate, resolution, and aspect ratio to suit your needs, ensuring your videos are of the highest quality and compatible with various platforms. Secondly, adding voiceovers to your videos is a breeze with Genmo. You can either upload your own audio file or use the integrated text-to-speech engine, which boasts an impressive range of natural-sounding voices. You can even adjust the pitch, speed, and volume to create the perfect voiceover for your video. But the real magic comes with Genmo's AI capabilities. The system can suggest edits based on your video's content, helping you to create a more engaging and dynamic video. For instance, it might recommend a certain transition or effect to better convey your message or evoke a particular emotion. This feature can save you a lot of time and energy, as the AI does the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of your production. Lastly, Genmo AI Video Generator supports a variety of file formats, allowing you to import and export videos, images, and audio in the format that suits you best. This makes it a versatile tool that can integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow. With these advanced features, you can truly make your videos stand out. Genmo AI Video Generator is not just a tool, but a powerful ally in your quest to create compelling, high-quality videos. The Genmo AI Video Generator puts the power of AI in your hands. Imagine a tool that simplifies the process of video creation, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere. This is not some far-off future. This is happening right here, right now. We've taken you through the features of the Genmo AI Video Generator, shown you how to get started, and highlighted the advanced capabilities it offers. With this innovation, you're no longer confined by traditional constraints of time, effort, or technical expertise. The Genmo AI Video Generator harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to automate the creation of engaging and professional videos. It's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing your creative potential, making your ideas come alive in a way that was previously only possible for professional video editors. The power of AI in video creation is now in your hands. It's a new dawn, a new era in content creation. Why not try the Genmo AI Video Generator for yourself and see the difference it can make in your content creation?